Hello guys. What happened was I got a call and it cut off my video. But it's alright. I took the flour mixture and sprinkled it over the turkey wings and shook off as much as I could. Just lightly flour your turkey wings. Put them on your cookie sheet. I had 450 degrees. No, 350 degrees. Some people say 400, but I did 350 until they're done. Now they should be ready. I'm going to turn off my oven, and I have some yellow squash that I'm going to have with it. And I'm going to turn that down. And I have some beans I'm going to have with it. I'm turning that down. Now let's see what the turkey wings look like. Here we go. Oh, they are ready. And they are gorgeous. I flipped them only once. Now let me lower the camera and you'll be able to see them. And if you decide to give this recipe a try, please post pictures. Let me see your turkey wings and tell me if you like this recipe. I like it, and it's one of my husband's favorite. And I just served them up. There they are. And they are delicious. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for letting me share this recipe with you. And like I said, it's great for those rosemary trees that you're going to get for the holidays. Have a blessed evening, guys.